New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's, everybody. Sounds like a damn war out here. I wish I could have had it opened. I was having trouble getting my camera on at the stroke of midnight. But these fools out here is going to be letting loose with these handguns and rifles and machine guns all night long. It's such a rainy night. I was going to go somewhere. I don't think I am, though. I mean, I don't know why everybody's got fireworks. It's raining so bad, and the fog and smoke in the air, you can't even see the fireworks going off. You hear them, but you can't see them. All the automatic weapons going off. AK-47s, AR-15s. The public are better armed than the damn police. That's it for me. It's going to be raining bullets here in a minute. Hope everyone has a great new year. Mid-South Sasquatch.